Oh, I got it!
Hey, Mandy, maybe you shouldn't fill up the washers that much. It might overflow.
Really?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I think so.
Well, where do I put this?
Whoa, Mandy. That is not where you put your Tide Pods. You have to put them, here, take it right out
Okay.
and just open this up.
Open this.
Yep, and put the Tide Pod right in there,
Right
in
in
the
here?
laundry. Yep,
Okay.
great
Do I
job.
close the door too?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Whoa! You don't need that much, dude.
You sure?
Yeah. That's gonna make it overflow.
It'll be fine.
No, it won't. I
Okay.
promise you it won't.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna use like that much, even smaller,
Okay.
of the cup.
All righty.
Okay. Always make sure you check under the wheel well for your socks. Down here, sock. And then leave the door open when you're done so you don't get mold.
I'll get it later.
Come on, people. There we go.
What the heck? Why is my laundry up here? I only had it in there since last semester.
Whatever.
Remember to clean out your lint. All this stuff, fire hazard.